Hi guys, welcome back to the Weekly Aisle. Today we are going through some really fun finds I spotted on my last Costco run. Let's get into it. So the first thing that caught my eye was this Tupperware glass and jug set. You can make, serve, and store lemonade, iced tea, basically anything you'd want at a party or just at home. What I love about this, it is leak proof. Sorry, it's shatterproof. There's no stress if someone knocks it over, and it comes in two different colors. And so I like the pink one personally. Let me know in the comment section which color you would pick and why. And it's called Tupperware Heritage Pitcher, and there are four tumblers. They have lids. It's leak proof, BPA free, dishwasher safe, so cleanup is super easy. The pitcher comes in two different sizes, and check out the price, just $29.99. Okay, this one was a great deal. It was originally $19.99, but there was $5 off, bringing it down to $14.99. It's a scrubbing brush, and I think you have seen similar brushes all over your Instagram or TikTok feed. But really like about this one that it can get into all those corners and nooks and those tricky spots that are hard to clean in the shower or in the kitchen. It can really get into those tight areas. I think it's totally worth grabbing at that price. Next, I spotted this kitchen scale and it had a couple of features that really stood out to me. First, it's waterproof, so you can rinse it off right at the sink, no worries. And it holds up to 30 pounds, so it can handle pretty much anything. Plus, it comes in black, which honestly just looks so clean and goes with any kitchen. I really like this one. And the last find is this 5-piece wooden storage set. These are the wooden boxes and they come in five different sizes, two larger ones and three smaller ones. They have built-in handle on each box, which makes them really easy to carry around. You can use them in your closet, bedroom, or bathroom, really anywhere. Place them side by side, or stack them, or spread them out in different rooms. They just give such a clean, put together look to any space. And the price was only $24.99 for all those five. I think it's a really great deal. So those are my Costco picks for this week. Go check your nearest Costco for these deals. Let me know in the comments which one you'll grab and what you want to see in the next video. See you in the next time.